Hey, greetings YouTube. Always want to share some interesting ideas that I have and things that I've came up with. We've got a pair of these Turf Tiger 2s and they get used a lot. And we're happy with the way they cut, but you're always looking for ways to make that cut quality just a little bit better. I just want to show one thing we did. We built a striping kit for it, and you never really know how to design some things. The Scag Tiger striper that they have is, first of all, very expensive, and second of all, kind of has some drawbacks. It does like to get hung on some things, and just want to show you our design that we came up with. We utilized these 4 existing holes that are in the frame rails on the back side of the Turf Tiger tube. This is some 3/16 inch metal. We cut these on a plasma table, and they are just the right length to go down underneath the mower and without interfering with the PTO shaft. You can kind of see it there. It is just low enough to clear the underside of the mower without hitting the PTO shaft. The material that we put on the crossbar here, this is just 1-inch 14 gauge square tubing. Very simple design. You can just see we put some bolts on it all the way across there, so that the flap doesn't tear. But we bolted it on the outside. These are some 1-inch long 3/8 inch bolts with some nylon lock washers. It's a little bit tight in there by the hydro pumps, but there is enough room for this to work perfectly. These grooves are exactly 3/8 of an inch wide. If we ever needed to raise this up, all you have to do is loosen these just a little bit, and this bracket will slide directly up, and this striper kit will no longer be on the ground. So that's one side, and this is the other side, just so you can kind of see another angle from it over here. But we'll use this. This is probably some 3/8 inch thick rubber mat here. This is actually conveyor belt is what this is, from a limestone quarry, and a lot of times they will replace a belt and they will have chunks of this laying around, and that's where we found this. So anyway, same thing. Hope you guys appreciate this video. Scag, they're really good mowers, and we do like this one. This one has got the 37 horse fuel injected Vanguard on it, and a great engine, great mower. But this flap kit that's in the back, it doesn't affect anything. It never gets in the way of the tires, but it absolutely makes your lines pop. I'll put some pictures on this video at the end of some of the properties that we cut with it. So thanks for watching. Y'all enjoy it.